Okay, now we will see how to use least frequently used, also known as LFU. Okay, here we are going to count the frequency of each page, how many times that page is entering. Okay, and okay, while solving the problem only, I will explain you how it is used. So here again, the reference string is given here. 701203042303212. Okay, and memory size is given with 3 frames, F1, F2, F3. So which one is the first page? A demand, it's a 7. So we'll write 7 here, and this is a page fault. Okay, now here every time better to write the frequency. Okay, 7 is entering first time, so we'll write here in the bracket 1. Okay, it's a frequency of that particular page number. Okay, so next is what? 0. So we'll write 7 here, 1, then 0, first time it is entering, then this is a fault. Okay, then next is 1, so we will write this 1. Okay, now your main memory is full. Okay, now after this we have to replace one of the frame for the next page. Now next is what? 2. Okay, so which one we have to replace? Now here you can see the frequency of 7 is what? Frequency of 7 is 1. Okay, frequency of 7 is 1. Frequency of 0 is also 1. Frequency of 1 is also 1. So if this is the case, we are going to follow first in first out. Okay, you remember when the frequency, here it is clearly mentioned, when the frequency is same, then we are going to apply FIFO. So what FIFO says, first you have to replace with frame 1, then frame 2, then frame 3. So we'll replace this 2, we'll put this 2 in frame number 1. Okay, so we'll write here 2, first entry, so this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, this is again a page fault only. Okay, now next is 0. Whether 0 is there already, 0 is already there. Okay, so we'll write here hit, but 0, frequency of 0 will increase. Okay, the frequency of 0 will be 2 here. Why? Because it is entering second time. Now next is 3. Okay, now which to replace here? Which to replace here? So here you can see the least frequently used is what? 2 or 1, right? Either you can replace 2 or 1. But what I said, if the frequency is same, you are going to check for the first in first out. Okay, so here you can see the frequency of 2 is also 1 and frequency of 1 is also 1. But what FIFO says, first in first out, whether 2 has entered first or 1 has entered first. 1 has entered first, so we will replace this 1 by 3. Okay, so we'll write here 3, and 3 is entering first time. Okay, and 0 will have 2 and 2 will have 1. Okay, now next is 0. Now 0 is already there, so okay, I forgot to write here, it's a fault, right? If 0, okay, next is 0. So 0 is already there, so this will be again a hit. Okay, this will be a hit because 0 is already there, but only the 0 frequency will increase to 3. This will be 1, this will be 1. Okay, now next is 4. Now which one you will replace? Least frequently used means either you will replace by 2 or 3, but who has entered first, 2 or 3? Okay, so 2 has entered first, so you will write here 4. Okay, so this will be 0, 3, 3, 1. This is page fault. Next is 2. Okay, so this is a fault again. Okay, which will you replace? You will replace 3, right? Because again this and this frequency is same, you have to go for FIFO. So this will be 0, 3, and this will be 2 raised to 1. Now next is 3. So which one here? 4 and 2. Which one you will replace? 4 has entered here, 2 has entered here. So we will replace 4 by 3, first in, first out. Okay, so 3 1 0 3 2 1, and this is again a fault. Now here it's a hit, 0 is already there, so we'll write 3 raised to 1, 0 raised to 4 now, 2 raised to 1. Okay, now next is 3. So which one you will replace? Either you will replace 3 or 2, but who has entered first? 2 has entered first. 2 has entered first. Okay, sorry, I am very sorry. No need, because 3 already present here. 3 is already present here. It's a hit, so you don't have to replace. You just write this as it is. 3 0 and 2. Okay, so it's a hit. Then 2 is already there, so write 3 0 this 2 is 2. It's a hit. Okay, now 1 which will replace least frequently used. Okay, I have made a mistake here. Yeah, so this should have been 2, right? Because 3 was already there, 1 here, and this 3 you have added. This 3 you have added, so it should be 2 here. It should be 2 here. Okay, this is 2, and here what it get? So this will be okay. Now this is correct. This is correct. So this frequency of 3 is 2, frequency of 2 is 2, and frequency of 0 is 4. Now 1 I want to bring 1 in main memory. So which frame I will replace? 3 and 2 has the same frequency, but 2 has entered long back here, 3 has entered here, and 2 has entered here. Okay, so you can replace 2 by 1. So I'll write 3 here, 1. Okay, and this is the fault. Okay, then next is 2. Now which is the least frequently used? Least frequently used is this, right? So you write 3 2. This is 2. So how many hits? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 hits. And how many faults? This is hit. Okay, how many faults? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 5 upon 15, 10 upon 15 into 100 is a hit ratio. It's a miss ratio. And this is hit ratio. These are number of hits, right? These are number of faults. So multiply by 100, divide by 15, multiply by 100, we'll get a ratio. So this is how it works. So it is very easy. If you solve the problems, you'll come to know. Okay, first thing you have to calculate the frequencies, and if the frequencies are same, you are going to apply first in, first out. That's it.